Nod your head, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, nod your head. Whether you're new to English or brushing up on everyday expressions, this video will help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Nodding your head is a physical action where you move your head up and down, often used as a non-verbal way of saying yes or showing agreement. The phrase, nod your head, is a directive, telling someone to perform this action. It's often used in everyday conversation, in instructions, and in songs too. Nod your head is versatile. You might hear it in different contexts. Agreement, when someone wants to confirm your agreement without speaking. Music and rhythm. In songs, it's often used to encourage listeners to move with the beat. Instructional settings. In classrooms or during presentations, it can be used to show understanding. Let's see how it's used in sentences. If you understand, please nod your head. During the concert, everyone was nodding their heads to the music. I asked her if she was okay, and she nodded her head. It's important to note that nodding can mean different things in different cultures. In most Western cultures, nodding means agreement. However, in some parts of the world, it might have different implications. Always be aware of these cultural nuances when traveling or speaking with people from different backgrounds. And that's a wrap on Nod Your Head. Remember, it's all about the up and down motion of the head to indicate agreement or rhythm. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to nod your head if you liked this video.